safe, understandable, efficient. Smart Klaus helps by showing me immediately when something is missing. When it lights up red, I know something isn't right and needs to be checked. At Fritsch Elektronik in Aachen, Smart Klaus ensures quality directly in the process. Employees are guided step by step. Each work step is checked before moving on. Mistakes aren't passed on, they're prevented right away.
The main reason we focus on assistance systems is that our devices and assemblies are becoming increasingly complex. Finding specialists is getting harder. We also want to place employees in positions where they may never have done this kind of work before, and have them produce the product flawlessly in a very short time.
All processes are documented, transparent, and fully traceable. A system that provides safety for people, processes, and quality.
Employee reactions are very positive. It has brought a certain ease to production. Employees can go home at the end of the day without worrying or waking up in the middle of the night thinking, did I forget one of the 48 screws? Or did I assemble the power supply incorrectly? It gives them reassurance that their work was done correctly.
Even if the system detects a mistake, like a screw that was simply overlooked, it warns us in time, preventing the issue.
The documentation should be designed so that even someone who doesn't speak the language is clearly guided, through images and videos, on what to do in each inspection step.
Eindeutig darauf hingewiesen wird, was sie an diesem Prüfschritt tun muss.
Choosing a local provider may have been an unconscious decision, simply because you feel you have local proximity and security. If something happens, people can be on site quickly. This certainly played a decisive role in the decision-making. Today, Smart Klaus is indispensable. You would definitely notice if it weren't there. Customer complaints that we couldn't fully prove have almost completely disappeared. Smart Klaus has improved and sped up our processes.
Hat unsere Prozesse nur verbessert und beschleunigt.